Getting paid on time is essential for every business. Even a single unpaid invoice can affect cash flow, delay operations, and create unnecessary financial stress. That's why businesses often send a collection letter before taking stronger action. It serves as a professional reminder that encourages payment while helping preserve a positive relationship with the customer. A collection letter is a formal business letter used to remind a customer that a payment is overdue. It identifies the unpaid invoice, states the amount owed, provides a payment deadline, and invites the recipient to resolve any issues before the matter escalates. Today, we're going to break down a professional collection letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the sender's name, job title, company name, business address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is sending the letter and provides the recipient with the necessary contact information. Since this is a business letter, always include your company details so the recipient knows exactly who to contact regarding the outstanding payment. Date. Next, we have the date, July 9th, 2026. Including the date is very important because it establishes when the collection letter was issued. This helps calculate payment deadlines and creates a clear record if future follow-up or legal action becomes necessary. Recipient information. Below the date, we have the recipient's name, business name, and address. Including the recipient's information ensures that the letter is directed to the correct person or company. It also makes the document more professional and creates a formal record of communication. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject, reminder of outstanding invoice payment. The subject immediately tells the recipient why the letter was sent. A clear subject line helps the recipient understand the purpose of the letter before reading the rest of the document. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Mr. Miller, this is a formal and respectful way to address the recipient. Always use an appropriate salutation in business correspondence to maintain professionalism. Opening paragraph. Now let's move to the first body paragraph. This paragraph immediately explains the purpose of the letter by identifying the unpaid invoice, the amount due, and the original payment deadline. Providing these details early helps avoid confusion and reminds the recipient exactly which payment is outstanding. The paragraph says, I hope you are doing well. I am writing regarding invoice number 1NV-2026-1048 in the amount of $2,450, which was due on June 30th, 2026. According to our records, we have not yet received payment for this invoice. This opening is clear, professional, and factual. It focuses on the unpaid balance without sounding aggressive. Acknowledging possible delay. The next paragraph recognizes that payment delays can happen. This is an important part of a collection letter because not every late payment is intentional. Showing understanding helps maintain a positive business relationship while still reminding the recipient that payment is overdue. The paragraph reads, We understand that payment delays can occasionally occur, and this letter is intended as a courteous reminder in case the payment was overlooked. We value our business relationship and appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. This paragraph keeps the tone polite and respectful while reinforcing the importance of resolving the issue. Payment request. Next comes the payment request. This section clearly states when payment should be made and gives the recipient options if there is a problem with the invoice. Setting a reasonable deadline encourages prompt action while keeping communication open. The paragraph says, We kindly request that payment of the outstanding balance be made within 10 business days of the date of this letter. If payment has already been sent, please disregard this notice and accept our thanks. If there is an issue with the invoice, or if you would like to discuss a payment arrangement, please contact me at your earliest convenience so we can work toward a mutually satisfactory solution. This paragraph works well because it is firm but cooperative. It encourages payment without immediately threatening legal action. Invoice information. The following paragraph explains the enclosed documents and payment instructions. This helps the recipient complete the payment more easily by reminding them that the invoice is included and that the payment methods are already provided. The paragraph reads, "For your convenience, a copy of the invoice is enclosed with this letter. Payment may be made using any of the methods outlined on the invoice. Including this information reduces unnecessary back and forth communication and makes it easier for the recipient to respond promptly." Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the recipient and ends the letter on a professional and positive note, while expressing the hope that the matter will be resolved soon. The paragraph says, "Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. We appreciate your business and look forward to resolving this outstanding balance." Then the letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Emma Collins." A professional closing leaves a positive final impression while reinforcing the goal of resolving the payment promptly. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. Always include the invoice number, the amount owed, and the original due date so there is no confusion about the payment being requested. Keep the tone polite and professional, especially in an initial collection letter. Avoid emotional or accusatory language, and always provide a clear payment deadline along with contact information in case the recipient needs to discuss the invoice or arrange payment. And that's how you write a professional collection letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.